Hi everyone, welcome back to Chota Creations. Today I'm going to describe the shoes among four which is very comfortable and best and affordable prices. Let us start with the brand new Adidas unboxing. Actually, I have been using these shoes from the last year onwards. Let us see which is comfortable and which is best among them. And if you see these Adidas, I got this around 994 rupees in the big billion days. The actual price and MRP of this shoe is 4,799 rupees. You can see here. It looks like the first impression of the shoe is looking very nice, and shoe is very hard and it looks like somewhat premium as well. If you observe this Adidas shoe, the design of this Adidas symbol is somewhat different. It looks like somewhat painted horizontally. So it looks somewhat different and very attractive as well. Nice looking. The red colored name on the shoe is somewhat disappointing to me because I don't know why. The mention here is the shoe is made in India. You can see there. I bought the size of the shoe is 9. Compared to the Reebok models, the Adidas is somewhat little small size, even though it is in the 9. If you see in the 9 size in the Reebok, it is somewhat larger. See, if I bend this shoe, it looks like somewhat flexible, but it's very hard if you compare with the Red Tape and Reebok as well. The sole of the shoe is very hard and very strong as well. The bottom of the shoe is very hard. After wearing, the shoe looks like this. For me, it is comfortable as well. This is the side look. The brand symbol of the Adidas appears. My foot feels comfortable in the shoe. This is the back side, and that red label looking somewhat weird. the upper part of the shoe, whether whichever the cloth or synthetic material used in that is very quality. While walking, it is so comfortable, but I feel that in the downside of that shoe, somewhat black colored material is there uh, that feels. I just feel that black colored one is somewhat tight while walking. And if you observe these four shoes, the Adidas, Reebok, Red Tape, and the Puma, if you first observe this red tape, it is around. I got this 1200 around. It is the red tape shoe. It doesn't have the bottom portion of that solid material, so only rubber material is there. And the Puma as well is somewhat good, and bottom of the material doesn't have that black colored solid material as well. And if you see the Reebok as well, it doesn't have the black colored solid material in the down, and that Adidas we have seen already. Finally, the tape is very comfortable and lightweight. Compared to the Adidas, the red tape is somewhat lightweight and very comfortable for walking and running and everything. And the Puma, it looks very nice, and it appears like a branded completely, and it is also very comfortable compared to Reebok and Adidas as well. And if you see the Adidas, this is also very comfortable, but the sole of that Adidas is somewhat solid, so that we feel that somewhat solid we wear. Compared to all, the red tip is lightweight, and Puma as well lightweight. Almost all are very similar prices, around 11 and 1200 rupees. But Reebok doesn't meet an expectations. But Puma and the red tape are very nice, and Adidas also nice. But if you see, so many people don't know the red tape company as well. So I prefer the red tape for very lightweight and comfortable walking, comfortable for running. Finally, I can say, for me, red tape is very comfortable, and let me know which is comfortable for you guys. Not only for the lookings, for the comfortability while wearing, and it should not irritate our foot as well. And I never feel this red tape, and it never irritated me, and it never hurt me. So you can try red tape once and let me know whether the red tape is good or not. And the prices of the red tape, we have much discounts available in the Flipkart and Amazon as well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.